A website's tech stack refers to the combination of technologies and tools that are used on website. It includes the programming languages, frameworks, databases, hosting, third-party services, and other components that are used to create the website's functionality and user experience. Scraping the technology stack of other websites can help you understand which products they use, as well as understand how much they are spending on third-party services. However, getting this kind of information manually is not that easy, as you need to look into the source code of pages to figure out which platforms they use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this information in minutes at scale. No coding knowledge required. We are going to use Hexomatic, my favorite no-code growth hacking platform, to do this. If you haven't got an account yet, head over to hexomatic.com and get an account. To get started, go to the dashboard and create a new workflow from data input. Next, we will add the desired website URLs using the manual paste list of inputs option. Now let's add the Discover Tech Stack automation, selecting data input as the source. Optionally, you can select specific stacks to be checked, or the automation will return a full list of tech stacks used on the given website. After filling in all the required fields, click Continue and run the workflow. Once the workflow has completed, simply export to Google Sheets or save as a CSV file. It's that simple. Now you have access to all the technologies used by any website and can check things like which tracking provider they use, if they pay for intercom for their live chat, or any other type of tech. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you soon!